What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have the beautiful Lotus Emeya. Now there's a Lotus Emeya, Emeya S and Emeya R. In this case, this is the Emeya. Check this out. This is in Stellar Black. Amazing daytime running lights like a Batmobile. Check out your headlights that are hidden right underneath. If it turns off, you won't be able to see it. Got some opening right there for the bumper air to flow through all the way that side. Your air vents down here to open up for cooling purposes for air to flow through. Amazing design. You have this finish also in carbon fiber. Sometimes if you spec up the car, you can spec it up that way. Yellow badging with the black. Some amazing angles that we have. Check out the light, the way it moves. Can you see that? Beautiful. You also get gloss black right on top right here. You also have it in carbon fiber. Again, it's another option to add in the future. But this, check out the wheels. These are 255 45 R20. These are the 20-inch wheels. These are the standard wheels that come together with the Emeya, and solid disc brakes are right inside here. You got your caliper, 4-pot, Lotus badging in yellow and black as well. Pirelli tires, beautiful design. Your LiDAR casing where your LiDAR sits, but again in Malaysia there's no LiDAR yet available to use. That's the casing right there. You got your 360 camera right here. You got some cameras right there. Assistance driving for here. Amazing. So check out the black piece that we have right here at the side. All out. Beautiful design, guys. You also have it in carbon fiber. Again, it's another option to add for any other car that you choose. Handles. So open up the doors. Those are your mirrors right there. Now check out the center part of the door. Carbon fiber. CAF audio sound system, grey finishing right here. You got some grey stitching right there, suede finish right here, compartment storage right here. You have your door handles to open up in manual, electronic buttons right here, window adjustments, CAF audio sound system. Now, the thing about this Emeya base, the Emeya word is here. You're unable to see that because the plastic is covered, but you have a plaque right here, which is actually lit up only if you go for the S or the R onwards, but this also has the Emeya word, just that it's blacked out. So grey interior, which is magnetite. Now these seats are the standard seats, therefore there are no lines here. That means there's no massage seats. So design similar, beautiful, stunning, just massage seats are not there, but it already looks good. I can't imagine anyone else using massage seats their whole entire journey of driving, but it's always good to have some massage going on. But check it out. Adjusting the seats. Grey seat belt. Check out the space. Amazing space. Amazing storage. Glove compartment right here. Press right here. Check that out. Amazing. So again, Emeya base, you still get your carbon fiber trimming right here. Beautiful. Check out the side of the doors. You also get that there as well. Top right here, also same. There's also carbon fiber everywhere right here, guys. It's all over here. You got to be here to see it. Now touch, light turns off. Amazing. So screen right here for you to adjust your music and also check your date and your time. Screen right here, angles right center, beautiful. You got your frameless rear view mirrors. You got your, how to say this, your mirror to adjust your stuff. Amazing work. Amazing design. Card for you to charge your phone as well, together with keep your card. For the key, cup holders, press. Now the Emeya has it in same size. Beautiful design. You got your opening right here, Type-C charging, 2 of it for your USB. Let's close that. And check out the seats. Now let's move to the rear. Let's open up the rear. Now before we go to the rear, let's check out the tires. Now 285 40 R20. These are the wheels for the rear. Solid disc brakes. You got these covers that you may feel if you want to remove it, you can, but you got to consult the workshop to see whether they can assist you with that. It does look good, depending on some people. If they wish to, they can try to go without this cover, but it's totally up to you guys. It looks beautiful as well like this, easier to clean. But now check out the carbon fiber finishing that we have right here. Doors to open up, electronic stuff, manual handles, CAF audio sound system, 15 speakers in the car. Check that out. This is the sitting position of myself earlier, comfortably at the front, but check out this space. So much of space that we have right there. So much of leg room, comfortable and nice, and Yep, you also get an option to go for the glass roof, but in this case, it's a suede finish. Check that out, guys. Beautiful suede finish. Amazing. So, center screen right here. Air to flow for your fan, adjusting your radio, adjusting your aircon. ACBC wording, fabric right here. You get some leather right here. Your air vents to flow through. Beautiful, beautiful. Something which I never really did show, but check this out. Cup holders that you can keep right here now. Amazing. Let's move to the center. Check it out. I'm right in the center right here. Space, stunning. Let's move on to the right side right here. Same thing as well. Seat belts also in grey. Push the button. Amazing. Let's push that out. Let's go. Now let's open up the rear to show you guys. But in the meantime, take a look. Let's admire how beautiful this car looks, guys. Black wall, grey floor, white light, and the light looks like this. Beautiful. Check out the black car. I feel like this is like a Batmobile that we have right here. Amazing. I mean, like, why not? This looks absolutely stunning. It's like a real, I don't know, man. Get this car in a matte black PPF. This car looks stunning, guys, stunning. So, Lotus badging in chrome. You got some brake lights right here. So now let's open up the rear boot to show you guys how it actually looks. Check that out. We will lower down the wing later, but in the meantime, amazing storage space. Fold down the rear seats if you wish to. You can actually pull that out to cover the shade so that people will not come in from the top to see anything visible that's happening, but check that out. Amazing layout. Place to charge your stuff. Another storage space down here. Warning triangle together with your tire repair kit. Beautiful. Now let's close down the rear boot. Check that out. Beautiful design, beautiful design. Amazing layout, guys. I'm speechless. It really does look good. Now, let's go down to the driver's side. You have your Pioneer since 1948 listed right here. Check that out. Sitting right in. This is the Emeya, not the Emeya S, not the Emeya, but just the Emeya alone. And check out what you're getting. Looks absolutely beautiful. Now, you get your sport pedals down here. Looks really good as well. Options to add on in the future. But carbon fiber finishing that we have. You got your drive, selector, reverse. You have your P, parking. Hazard lights, we will turn on in a while more. Again, as I mentioned, let's close down the rear in a while more to show it to you guys. But yeah, steering wheel. You got your regen braking right here, drive mode over your right, you got your wipers right here, you got your lights over this side, turn indicators as well. Head-up display located right there. Beautiful design. Amazing. So, carbon fiber all over the place right here. You got your electronic doors, windows, things like that. Beautiful. So now let's move on to the rear wing, which we have already put down, but check out, guys. Beautiful. This color black, and then the gray wall, gray floor, black wall, glass everywhere, light on top. Stunning. Looks super, super aggressive, super futuristic. Check this out, guys. Wow. This is the Lotus Emeya, guys, the Lotus Emeya. So let's open up the front hood, see what's there, waiting for us. Check that out, check that out. So open up. Amazing storage space that we have right here. Very clean and sleek design. Emeya wording, Pioneer since 1948. Windshield washer right here. We're not going to open that. But yes, storage space to keep your cable, to charge or your shoe or whatnot. So yeah, the car looks absolutely stunning, guys. If you'd like to find out more about Lotus cars, do head down to Glenmarie, or you can visit them at Pavilion Damansara Heights. The address and the location is down below. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.